again, we're going to look for factorizing first. So this one obviously is a common factor x. You can take out the x, and it's x minus 4. But now here also, when you've got fractions and just a number, you got to put it over 1. You got to make it a fraction. Okay? So we're going to have 2x plus 1 over x minus 5x, and then take out the common factor x, x minus 4, equal to 2 over 1. Now we look, okay, this one has an, after we factorized it, it has an x and an x minus 4. This one only has an x, so we need to put in x minus 4, both sides, x minus 4, okay? This one needs both, x and x minus 4, x minus 4. So now they all have an x minus 4, okay? So we can take them away. And now we're going to multiply 2x times x gives you 2x squared. Now we're going to simplify this whole thing now. 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. 1 times x gives you plus 1x. 1 times negative 4 is minus 4. Then we still add the minus here between. Remember this minus, that one there, minus 5x. Okay. And then here you got 2x times x, which is 2x squared, and 2x times negative 4, negative 8x. So we simplified the whole thing. You could have first written down what you have left and then simplified, but to save time, you might as well, while it is there, you might as well multiply it in already. Then you save one step. Okay, and now we can check. Okay, 2x squared, if you bring this 2x squared over, it's 2x squared minus 2x squared. So that's obviously 0. The negative 8x plus 1x is negative 7. Minus 5 is negative 12. So that gives you negative 12x. And then when you bring the negative 8 over, it's plus 8x. So we're just going to, basically you can say the 2x squareds cancel out. Because when you subtract them, it's 0.
Equal to 4.
Okay. And then this part, negative 4 goes over, it becomes plus 4. So then you got negative 4x equal to 4. And then if you divide by negative 4, x will be equal to negative 1. Okay.